Lucy's out in a blizzard. She doesn't like it much, but we've got Cheetos. Yep. Hey, Lucy. Cheeto. Here. Yeah. Cheeto. Come here. There it is. Here we are. More Cheetos. There's another Cheeto. You can get it. Good girl. One more. One more Cheeto.
Oh,
hey, Lucy. Here you go.
Here it is, Lucy. Right here.
Dad's brushing. He's not supposed to be doing that. That's supposed to be my job, so well, as soon as I finish filming, it's, can you get this? Lucy's heading back inside, alert to the fact that there are no more Cheetos. She decided she really doesn't need to go to the bathroom that badly. Hi, Dad.
Buddy.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello, Em.
Incoming. It's coming from that direction. Now. Okay. Dad, stop doing that now. I'll do it.
Hey, Luce. How you doing?
Let's put the camera back inside. Okay, we're going in now.